Hi Sam. Today, we're going to learn the German verb.
Holen.
Hi Alex. What does
Holen.
mean?
Holen.
Means to fetch or to get something. It's commonly used when you ask someone to bring something to you. Just remember that it can also mean to pick someone up in specific contexts.
That's interesting. Are there any false friends with
Holen.
Yes, be careful. It might sound similar to the English word hole, but they mean very different things.
How do we use
Holen.
in sentences?
Great question. In the present tense, you say,
Ich hole. Du holst. Sie, es holt.
for example,
Ich hole das Buch.
means I get the book.
What about the past tense?
In the Präteritum, you say,
Ich holte.
for I fetched. In perfect, it's
Ich habe geholt. Ich habe das Buch geholt.
means I have fetched the book.
And how do you use it in an imperative?
You can say,
Hol das Buch.
which means get the book.
Holen.
A separable verb.
Yes, it is. When you say something like,
Ich hole das Wasser.
it means I am getting the water. In the future tense, you would say,
Ich werde das Wasser holen.
I see. Is it only used in specific situations?
not at all. You can use it in various contexts, from getting groceries to picking someone up from the airport.
Where does the word
Holen.
come from?
Holen.
Originates from Old High German,
Holen.
which means to fetch. It has a long history, evolving through Middle High German to what we use today.
That's fascinating. I love learning about the history of words.
Let's break down.
Holen.
The root is,
Hol.
which relates to getting or fetching. There's no prefix or suffix, so it's straightforward.
So it's like building a simple Lego block.
Exactly. And since
Holen.
is a verb, it doesn't follow the compound rule, but it's very versatile.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. There are many. For example,
Abholen.
means to pick someone up,
Vorholen.
means to fetch something beforehand. Then, we have
einholen,
which means to catch up.
What about with suffixes?
Good point. Like,
holen,
has,
Holung,
meaning fetching. Another example is,
Nachholung,
which means a catch-up class.
So, how can I use
holen,
in real life?
Let's think about a few scenarios. If you're at a cafe, you might say,
Ich hole einen Kaffee.
which means I'm getting a coffee.
ich hole einen Kaffee.
Got it.
Great. Another situation could be at home, saying,
Hol das Essen.
which means get the food.
Hol das Essen.
I like that one.
And if you're at the airport, you could say,
Ich hole meinen Freund.
which means I'm picking up my friend.
Ich hole meinen Freund.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about memory hints.
What do you mean?
4.
Holen,
Since it's a verb, there's no specific gender to remember. But you can think of it as something you physically bring to you, like fetching a ball.
That makes it easier to remember.
As for usage,
holen,
is generally informal. It's often used in everyday conversations. Common collocations include,
etwas holen,
which means to fetch something, and
jemanden abholen,
which means to pick someone up.
Good to know. Are there similar sounding words I should avoid?
Yes, don't confuse
holen,
with,
ehren,
which means to honor. They both have different contexts.
Can you give me a few example sentences?
Of course. For instance,
ich habe das Buch geholt.
means I fetched the book. Another one is,
Sie holt das Wasser.
meaning she gets the water.
That sounds useful.
Also,
Holte seine Freundin ab.
means he picked up his girlfriend. And don't forget,
Wir werden das Essen holen.
means we will fetch the food.
I see how it all fits together.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Holen,
mean?
It means to fetch or to get something.
Correct. Can you give me the present tense forms?
Ich hole. Du holst. Sie es holt.
Perfect. What's the past tense in prateritum?
Ich holte.
That's right. How about an example sentence in perfect?
Ich habe das Buch geholt.
Excellent. Last question, can you give me an imperative form?
Hol das Buch.
Great job today, Sam. Remember,
holen,
is a versatile verb that you'll find useful in many situations.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using
Holen.
now.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.